I'm Tom Beller, founder and president of TCV Medical Devices. I'm also an allergist in South Carolina, and I take care of patients who are at risk of experiencing deadly allergic reactions. I prescribe a lot of these devices. This is an EPIPEN, and to get to the point, most patients do not carry them for one simple reason. It is too large. A few years ago, I gathered a team together to remedy this situation. I would like to introduce you to our new device. It's an Epinephrine Key. It has obvious size advantages over the EPIPEN. It's also designed to be attached to something that most people carry very frequently. For example, your keys. It is ergonomically designed to fit in your hand and to function like a syringe to prevent accidental, improper administrations. This is common with EPIPEN. We call this a thumbstick. Here's our device in action. What you just saw was a prototype produced through a process called stereolithography. The next step is to produce hard plastic devices that can stand up to the stringent FDA approval process. In order to produce the machinery for production, to set up a distribution chain and a sales force, we need money. That's where you come in. For your pledge, we would like to allow you access to our device. However, we cannot sell the device until FDA approval is final. Also, when the time comes, we will need a prescription from your doctor in order to send you a device. It is also important to recognize that at present, we are only seeking approval in the United States, so we cannot send devices outside the United States. By the way, if you're wondering why we haven't named our device the obvious name epi-key, the truth is we're trying. In 2010, we filed for the trademark epi-key, and the trademark board initially approved it. However, when it was published for opposition, Mylan, who owns the trademark EPIPEN, opposed us. Currently, we are involved in a lawsuit, and we believe we will win the right to use the term epi-key. For now, we'll call it an epinephrine key, but in the future, we expect to call it epi-key. Thanks for your attention.